Yo,
this guy's wild.
Nigga, I want to know what car he is. Well, I want to know
The Ultima, bro. He's going like 120 maybe.
He's swerved a little bit.
You know he got those
hard.
classy dipped rims too.
Oh my god.
The hubcaps, bro.
No.
Nah. It's too tight.
Should have got a crotch rocket.
Way too tight. For real, right?
Poor brakes.
Take that fucking emergency lane, bro.
They're glowing orange right now.
Alright, go.
Oh yeah.
That's yours.
He can barely fit through that. You don't
No,
want
the
to
Jeep's speeding up, bro. The Jeep don't want him going. The Jeep don't want him going.
Jeep, bro.
Hey, bro,
He's lining up, dude.
The Jeep's Mac, bro.
He's trying to catch up with his
And it's gone.
Damn.
Send it you want. Oh.
I didn't even see that car.
I didn't get there, bro. I would have died there.
I would have died.
Still no fucking heat, dude. The fuck?
Damn. Nah, this
That's
is very
crazy.
tragic. You can't do much here.
Yo, make sure your clipping software's on.
Oh yeah,
I'm trying to see a
turn it on.
I'm trying to see a chase
There
happen.
you go.
brake check.
Did someone be recording
I
this?
want to see a chase.
How you gonna see it?
Oh.
This is for the history books.
Like,
what are y'all gonna see?
To the server.
Oh.
Oh my god.
He needs to start a YouTube channel.
What the fuck?
Hey.
Fucking zooming.
Bro's fucking moving.
Oh,
Oh, man.
No, that's
Oh,
yours.
wait.
That's yours.
he swerved.
Yeah,
You
got
see
it.
that car in front of him?
Yeah, that car in front of you.
No.
Yeah, pit maneuver that hoe.
Timon shut. Fuck
You
it.
got spooked.
Oh,
Not
he wants to race. He wants
Wait,
to
he's going?
race.
Yo, he
Is he
switched
go?
you.
Is he going with
Yo,
you?
Right his ass.
dude, he's drunk as fuck.
Oh, he's gonna cut you off.
Damn, motherfucker. God damn.
Yo, this is the fastest
Fuck
Ultima.
him, bro.
You're zooming, bro.
At least 110.
Ultima.
Oh, that's too much traffic ahead.
Bro, it's
There's
a stock
too much
Ultima. It's got a
traffic.
CVT in it. Come on now. It's
Oh,
stuck
his
in it.
brakes
Giving the
are
GTR
so messed up.
Oh.
Nah, bro. It's got that shitty ass CVT
Oh!
transmission.
Bro.
Nah, bro, he's just got good
No way.
tires.
Oh my god.
Nice cut.
That was crazy right there.
This guy better
Guy's
start a
first
YouTube
counter
channel
That
tomorrow,
was
bro.
Nah. These
guys have to live to start a YouTube channel.
We probably should a little bit. Let's be honest, guys.
Yo,
Just
this
a little.
nigga got my head turned right now.
Oh god.
He swerves a
Yeah, my
little bit
screen
too
flips.
hard.
Bro, my neck hurts.
Yo, no
For
cap.
real,
Any
bro.
way-
I'm
is there any way
looking
you could turn
sideways.
this
I
shit?
wish I
You could
turn it.
open up display settings and change the orientation.
Isn't there a shortcut keybind for that?
I think there used to be on like.
Oh yeah,
Windows
there is. I'm
It's
pretty
like-
I'm
sure.
gonna. I
It's
got
like
no
Control Alt and then arrow down or something.
Oh, oh, car crash.
Holy shit. Warp speed again. Let's go.
You should have put it in time lapse because the video quality gets better. Like, don't actually start the time lapse, but have it on time lapse.
Hey, can you pull over and fix the camera view so we can see your speedometer?
Bro, he's not pulling over.
Nah, bro, he's not.
Just stop on
No,
the shoulder.
dude, he's going
real
the speed
quick.
limit. What are you saying? It's going 45 right now.
5 for sure.
That does not
It's transmission brakes. Come on now.
An
Yo,
Ultima
he's
does not
actually.
have
Yo,
a
he's actually
display screen.
stationary.
Yo, he's
bro.
in Mexico.
right now,
and
he's in
going the
Blender.
speed limit.
He's in a newer car.
This is Roblox, bro. This is Roblox for
No,
sure.
he's going the speed limit.
Bro, this is 5 in, bro. Come on down.
Oh, he's
Calm
speeding
down.
up.
Calm down.
Wait,
This is Forza Horizon.
My
Fucking
computer
Green
is
City on
fucking
Roblox.
sideways right now,
this
dude.
is the Forza 7 gameplay trailer.
He's exiting. He's exiting.
Bro,
He's
what is this
doing-
guy's commute? Like, where are you going?
He's
Bro drove through like 5 states.
He's
It's a-
actually pulling over.
Bro,
He's
this
gonna
guy
fix the
did-
camera
Drove
view.
through 5
He got off the intersection,
way.
bro.
It's
Or the
just a
intersection.
Seto Corsa, bro. It's a Seto Corsa.
Yeah, for real. 981's in the call, bro.
Damn.
He's
That's
at
so
my
Probably
house.
recording.
Bro, why you tailgated the fuck out of bro?
Bro, he's not
Get
even telling
closer,
me.
bro.
dude?
Yo, 981, take some notes.
Yo, what the
no
fuck?
way.
Yo.
He said that.
What?
He's on the
VIP
middle
lane.
lane right now. This thing is
He's in the
crazy.
oncoming fucking
Yo.
lane.
Wild, bro.
Oh, wait.
Nah, that's a turning lane. That's a
Yo,
turning
yo,
lane. That's a
yo,
turning lane. That's a turning lane. That's a turning lane.
nah.
It's just a turning lane. It's just a turning lane. It's just a turning lane. It's just a turning lane.
This guy is fucking nuts.
Dude, that actually scared me when
You
that
on
car
some shit,
swerved
bro.
in, bro. My heart rate doubled.
Run it.
It's just a turning lane. It's okay.
He would have T-boned them if he would have ran it.
Hey, bro, pull over. Change the camera real
Yeah,
quick.
yeah, pull over real quick. Pull
Oh,
over
too
real
late.
quick.
Oh, he's going.
Oh, shit.
Hey, let's fucking
Let's
go.
Let's go.
The other way.
Bro, this nigga's a go.
My neck don't hurt no
Oh
more.
my god.
For real.
Let's go. Dude, he's
Wait.
I was looking at my phone
The other way was
sideways.
better though. Fuck. You could see more shit with the other way.
It's okay.
Where's your
It's
speedometer?
okay, bro.
We,
It's
we,
okay.
we
It's
can see
okay.
the lane right here. It's chilling.
Yeah, we'll see the Mac when it happens.
Neck feels so much better already.
His screen looks broken. The display, I
You
don't
got
know,
X-ray vision. He's fine.
looks messed up.
Nah, that's the part. That's the bottom of the camera. That's not.
Oh, okay.
I thought for a
shit.
second.
That
Bro,
Dude,
dude,
Jack
bro.
is fucking
The
bro.
camera rotated.
Oh my god.
Ultima go scared, bro.
This
Fuck.
guy, it looks like he's going even faster, bro.
I don't. Wait, why doesn't he just turn on his Discord camera?
Oh.
Camera's
He's turning so hard the camera's moving.
Oh,
You can
okay.
only
He's about to
after the
lose
limit.
traction here in a
Hey, yo,
second.
press time lapse on your phone real quick.
Oh, Ultima's a front wheel drive. He's not losing traction, bro. Come on, now.
How do you know it's an Ultima?
I'm pretty sure it's a Beamer based on the.
Yeah, that's a
Oh,
Beamer.
I don't know. Everybody said Ultima, so I just went with
it's a
it.
Beamer.
That's a Beamer,
bro. Watch your
No, it's
man.
a Beamer.
Come on, bro.
That's not an
He literally
Ultima,
said
dude.
Ultima owner in his bio.
It looks like an E90.
Bro, it's the
low-key.
Ultima.
That's a PT Cruiser, dude.
That's a
Man, what the hell
GTR.
wrong with y'all, bro? Stop disrespecting the Beamer, bro.
It's a Lamborghini Panawagon. Come on, now.
GTR. Yeah, but it's
I
a
mean,
Skyline, bro. Clearly.
It's a Yaris. It's a Yaris.
Urus?
Nah, bro's in a
Urus?
Chevy Spark.
Bro, calm down, bro. It's a
Is that a
Mercedes.
meteor in the top right? What is
The
that?
Honda Fit.
Bro,
Huh?
to me, I don't know about y'all, but it looks like a Ferrari, bro. I think
It's a
y'all.
Tesla.
no.
Come on, bro.
As long as he doesn't crash, it doesn't matter what car it is.
Bro.
Nah,
Oh. Oh, nah, who's that? Who's that, bro?
Hey, yo. That guy had it.
Oh shit. God
Prius
damn.
moving, bro. Alright.
Damn, boy.
No audio.
Going like
Bro,
120?
you get
Going,
There was
Listen.
audio
Like-
for a second.
Bro,
like when he
going,
was
like, going like 120?
Bro, is that Florida?
That's
No,
that's why I was asking, brother. The roads look crazy.
Yeah,
Maybe if
it's
he goes
not.
to video, if he scrolls to video, there might be audio.
Nah,
It's
bro,
in
it's a
photo right
closed
now.
track. It's a
He
closed
can't-
circuit. It's a closed circuit.
He's got to go to time lapse.
Yeah, go to time lapse. Is better.
There's not that
Bro,
many hills
W
out
drive.
there.
on time
Bro,
lapse.
you can hear through his mic.
Oh, yeah, he's probably gonna unmute.
Yo, go faster, bro.
Hey,
He's
relax.
He's flooring it, bro. He's in the Ultima. He's flooring it. What's wrong from him, bro?
Hey,
It's
he's going about like 120 right now.
I don't think
Nobody-
I don't think he can go any faster.
Nah, he's not
He's
going
going like
120, bro. He's
90.
going like 90. Yeah, 90. If all them cars are going like 60, 70, he's not.
When the
fast.
white line.
That's the thing, though. Nobody
gapping.
on the highway goes 60.
Oh my
70,
bad. I
nigga.
didn't know y'all were reading the wind and all that
Not
shit.
down
I
here
didn't
in
know y'all
Florida,
read his
dude.
mouth.
Nah, bro, calculate the distance from where he is and where he will be in
Nah,
5
I'm
seconds,
just
and then do the
saying.
math.
Alright, right when
It's
he
a
passes
big,
yeah,
it's a
okay,
big ass
yeah.
interstate. Guaranteed,
Should be
all
like
the
a
regular
mile to
civilians
the
are
exit.
guaranteed going 80 plus.
Nah.
Hell
Yeah,
yeah. Who the
nah.
fuck drives
The
60 on the
moment of
interstate,
truth
nigga?
is
That's
when
not
that
four
Fucking
picture
everyone
lanes.
is
drives
behind your ass,
60.
boy. What you going
Nah,
Look,
not
look,
here,
look.
not with
Cali,
four
it's
lanes.
Cali, it's Cali. It said Fresno.
Where it? Oh,
How's it
okay.
No one knows how to drive.
Yeah, if it's in California, everybody's going like 70, 80, 90, bro.
California's
90.
90.
Oh,
Yo,
Oh,
you'd be
my
surprised, bro.
shit.
There's people that go
Damn.
90.
Nah,
in
nah,
the
nah, nah,
beginning,
nah,
Ain't
bro.
going
Swear it's
90,
been
though.
the-
You're tripping.
That's
Nah,
that's
Semi
how it
truck,
is.
I
That's
guess.
how it is here in
semi trucks
Florida,
top out
bro.
at 65, bro. 70.
Yeah,
Ah,
bro.
damn.
Like,
A
people,
Prius?
Had that Tesla swap.
No way you did. What do you win?
Okay.
Wait, how do you get
Have
passed
you
by a
seen the
Prius?
guys
though?
in Florida?
They
That's
stop
how
out at 90.
exactly. That's how Florida is too, bro. Nobody
Florida.
goes the speed limit.
You have a fucking Honda like.
That's what I'm
Wait.
saying. That's what I'm. It got to be one of those states because
Oh
they have
shit!
bro.
Yeah, I saw that coming. Holy fuck!
There's like
I didn't
fucking
even
five.
see that
There's like
shit.
5
Just shit
lanes, bro.
himself.
This looks just like
Hey,
home, bro.
wait,
Go away for a
every,
second and y'all go crazy.
Bro, all of
everyone
American
listen.
highways look the same.
Yeah, I don't know.
Not true.
Listen. Let's bet
this shit
$10
You gotta get
if
out
he
your shade, man.
crashes or not.
Dude, there's a tow truck right there.
Bro, look, the
Nah.
truck's right there for him.
Venmo.
He's not
Get that right there. Get that right there. That's
If he,
Yeah.
if he's,
Chill, bro. Why you gotta put that up in the air, cuh? I
he's
bet
not gonna
$10,
crash, dog.
bro. Hey, I bet $10 he makes it home
Yeah, for real.
in an ambulance.
damn,
He
bro.
wouldn't
I
be driving
don't.
like
God
this.
damn.
If he was
Nah.
Okay.
Damn,
Bro,
bro.
what is this guy's commute
God
though? Like,
damn.
for real. What are you doing?
Yeah,
Why is there no?
he did a
Why you
U-turn
making
on
speed
the
run?
way back.
He ordered the
nah,
McDonald's
bro.
and he doesn't want it to
Bro.
get cold, bro.
Nah, bro, he's
That's
Just
it,
going
bro.
home.
bro, he's a Uber Eats driver.
No.
You wants that 5-star rating?
He's trying to get a good tip, bro.
I want to do
Gotta,
the driver.
gotta deliver the French fries before they get cold, bro.
You don't want an unhappy customer.
Ooh, that's tight. That's tight.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Oh, bro,
Oh,
bro, your girl got OC, bro. Hurry up.
But you see that semi truck? That semi truck's not
She
going
home
faster than
alone, bro. She
70.
home alone.
So
Shut up, Nikki.
he's
You
not
bitch
moving
let
like
me.
Bro, hurry
120.
up. Yeah, all these cars are going 65 because the semis are
Yeah,
going the same speed.
yeah.
Bro.
Semis are limited to like 65, 70. They're not going faster than that. So
All these cars
nah,
are going
bro.
65, 70.
moving.
So he's
how-
going like 90.
Yeah, 95, maybe 100 in certain spots, but he's not going no 120.
Oh my.
Okay. That was like a late reaction.
You know
Maybe
it's
right
close
here.
when the
He did that on
headlights
purpose,
shine on the
man.
bumper.
The suspense.
Why?
Nah, fuck that shit.
I'd rather be safe.
Yeah, but you're not driving, so it's all good.
Shit, yes. Oh, this is an empty road right
Oh,
here,
he's
bro.
speeding up. Never mind. He slowed down again. Oh.
Traffic.
Yeah, tons of traffic
I
up
got
there.
a
Looks like
Waze
it.
on his phone, man.
Oh, that's a dead stop. Why are they all going so slow?
Bro,
There's a
Traffic,
police
nigga.
stop,
Nah,
bro.
Up
They're
on the
looking for an
shoulders, bro.
Ultima.
Come on.
Bro, there's
Up
a
on the
Fed in the
shoulders.
Discord. There's a Fed in the Discord, bro.
God
Dude,
damn.
what if the police are waiting
They all
for him?
fucking fed.
What if